Look at this here. When you look at the lineup that these brothers put here today, I mean, it's almost like I don't even really have to do a lecture. I mean, the pictures are all speaking for themselves. The thing is that anybody who walked in this door today, they would look at these pictures and assume that this is artwork from Africa. You'd have to assume that this artwork is from the motherland. You can go all over Africa, east, north, west, and south, and you'll find faces like that from Egypt to South Africa, or Zania as we like to call it, West Africa, East Africa. Everywhere you go in Africa, you see faces like that. And so anybody who is in their right mind, who walks in this door and see those faces, they'd have to assume that this was in Africa. So the fact that this is not in Africa, but this is in America, and every single one of them predates not only Columbus, but predates Christ in most cases, this is phenomenal. And so a lot of us, we take it for granted. We read the book, Unexpected Faces in America by von Rutenau. We read The Ra Expedition by Thor Heyerdahl, The Black Discovery of America by Michael Bradley, and of course the novel work, The Work of Works, that came before Columbus by the man, the vanguard, the brother that brought it to my attention, the man who deserves all the credit for this particular area, the man who is really on the forefront and pursuing the issue when no one else would do it, Ivan Van Sertima, in his book, That Came Before Columbus. So this is not a joke. So this is
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
Combustion.
Super Bowl 55. Aye, aye, matey. Pirates versus Chiefs. We're in our space, in our time. Black pirates, native chiefs, ruling the eye. Aye, aye, matey.
Boy!
1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue. 1492 equals 7. 7 chakras, sailing 7 seas to 7 continents. Hey, come on, let's ride. There's a party over there that ain't no jive. It's live, all the way live. Don't even have to walk, don't even have to drive. Just slide, slippity slide. Just forget about your troubles and your 9 to 5 and just sail on. That's what you do, just sail on. Now this groove so funky, hey, what do you think? What is it called? Let's call it Lakeside Stank. We ride on a fantastic voyage.
What? What the f***?
Pirates of the Caribbean. Aye, aye, matey. Versus Native American chiefs. Who are these two group of beings? That's right. You. Super Bowl 55. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or 1. The start of it all. You. Zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. We're the creator of it all. The great mother and the spark of existence. You. Sorry for ya. Dream wise. Chaos in the blood.